Hi everyone. In this video we will see how to make trajectory on rotating dial for toggling the switches, and visualize using motion study tools in SolidWorks 2017. So let's start. Open a new part document. We will first model the switch using basic sketch and extrusion commands. The length of arm from center to center is 10 mm. The extruded part of arm which will fit in the slot of dial is kept 6 mm in diameter. Now, again open a new part document. In this, we will create a base for switches, and rotating dial. We are keeping 55 mm distance between dial rotation axis and switch rotation axis. Now, we will model the rotating dial. Now we will sketch the trajectory which will be formed due to relative motion of dial and switch. Firstly, we will sketch the two extreme positions of switch on dial. One is horizontal and other is vertical. The tip of arm was 6 mm in diameter. The center-to-center distance of arm was 10 mm. We also have to define center-to-center distance of dial and switch, which was 55 mm. We will connect the center of dial with the vertical position of switch. Now, we will create a line, and make it equal to the line connecting dial center and vertical position of switch. Now we will define the angle of rotation of dial. Here we want 25 degrees rotation of dial for 90 degrees rotation of switch arm. Make a 6 mm diameter circle at that position. That is actually the final position of switch arm on the dial. No, we will make some free slots on dial so that it doesn't changes switch's position after 25 degrees. Trim the extra parts and make the slot profile. Creating an offset profile, to reduce the interference between moving parts. Now cut the slot profile. Similarly, we will create sketch for other switch as well. We will rotate the sketch by 25 degrees. We will offset this profile as well. Extrude this profile. Open a new assembly template. Insert the base. Change the appearance for better visualization. Now, insert the switches. Made it, so that it can rotate about the base fixture. Changing appearance of switch as well. Now insert the dial. Fixing it such that it can be rotated around the base. Give appearance to dial also. Change the transparency of dial as well. We will now go to the motion study. Firstly, go to the basic motion mode so that we can simulate the contacts. Change some settings for smooth motion between parts. Define the contact pairs. Now give motor input to the dial. Select distance input. Keep the degrees as 50. Now calculate. We see that first switch is operated by 25 degrees rotation. And next switch is operated in next 25 degrees rotation. Now we will see dial with 3 slots. First switch rotates in first 25 degrees, second switch in second 25 degrees, and third switch in third 25 degrees. Hope this video was helpful, thank you.